Vatrer, I tell you what, it'll put some power in your life. You want to go camping? You want to go fishing? You want to go to the job site? You got your gas powered generator, you pull on it for a half hour, it doesn't start. There you sit, nothing. This Vatrer, my friend, it'll light your life up and it won't leave you stranded. We got this jewel out of the box. I tell you what, it is, I tell you what, loaded with features, and look at that, what it has. It is a Life P04 bank of those batteries. 460 amp hours. It's equivalent to probably about 15 Honda Civic batteries is what it's equivalent to. And about as much power as that, somewhere in there. It's for people like me. It's got smart BMS. You can't overcharge it. It'll stop when it's undercharged. You can't short it out. If you do, it'll do some stuff to save your ass. I tell you what, they thought of everything when they made this battery. This battery is redneck certified, my friends. 5888 watt hours. How much power is that? Put it this way, a lot. I can't believe it. Like, that's insane how much power this battery has. It'll do just about anything that you want to do with this battery, and it'll do it for a long time, my friends. I got some even better news for you. I tell you what, Wildman 5 off, tap the link on the bottom of her. She'll save you a couple dollars if you want to buy one of these jewels. I tell you what, this Vatrer, it's one hell of a battery, and I tell you what, it won't leave you stranded like a gas generator will do to you. Yeah. It's like the Holy Grail. It'll light your life up and it'll run stuff. We're gonna put it through a little bit of a test. How tough is it? How long will it run it for? A long time. First order of the day, we'll get her set up and we're gonna build some tea out of this jewel. Boys, she's almost tea time. Easy connection. The part I like about this battery the best is you can put it in any position and you're fine with it. That way, this way, put it where you want to put it, upside down, backwards, frontwards, wherever you want to do with it, you can put it. It does not care. Unlike an acid battery where you may have a small problem. If you do that with a lead acid battery, this battery, no issues. 5,000 charges and discharges, 3 times more than a lead acid battery. It's got ventilation. I do believe it's probably got some built-in fans in here somewhere. I'm just taking that for granted. Put your covers back on, protects her all up. I tell you what, whoever built this battery put a lot of thought into it. And you know what? I do believe it's gonna be an excellent piece. As they say, the proof's in the pudding. You're out on the job site, you're getting a little thirsty and you decide, you know what, I'd really like a cup of noodles or a hot glass of something or possibly just a cup of tea. And I tell you what you do is push your button on, turn your inverter on, got your water in your teapot. Look at that. Listen to that thing. She's percolating. You're out in the job site, you make a little tea. We're gonna build her right in a pot here today.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I got something to ask you. I left my wallet in Austin's truck. Can I borrow $20?
I don't have $20 on me.
And no cash on you at all?
None.
Wow, give me your bank card then.
You're not getting my bank card.
Okay, you want to come into the store then?
What are you wanting?
I just want a sandwich, because I don't know how long we're going to be down there for.
Look at this. Okay, we're building some tea in here. There.
Should probably put more than that. Is that good water?
Well, yeah.
Why is it so warm?
Because it come out of the tea kettle.
Actually, it was good water.
Look at this thing cooking. Let's take a look on her app here and see what she's doing. She's got an app on her. Tells you how much power you're burning. 88 watts, 12.9 volts. That's what she's drawing. I tell you what, guys, that thing draws a lot of power, and it's running like absolutely perfect. Like I'm running at a lot of power.
Did you try it?
This thing has a full-fledged monitoring system. It will tell you everything that's going on. It will tell you if you got a power draw. Even if you don't know that you have a power draw, it will tell you you have a power draw in your system. It will tell you if something's leaking power, something's using power, somebody else is using your power. It tells you everything. It's a 100% monitor of what's going on there. And I tell you what, all at your fingertips. And also in a hardened steel case, my friends. This battery, I tell you what, it's something. Well, boys, this here is one of the biggest angle grinders that you can get. We're gonna run this grinder here off of this 1500 watt inverter. I tell you what, if it runs this grinder, this battery produces good clean power and a good constant power. Right after we drink this tea, we're gonna test this thing out and we're gonna see if it's gonna run this angle grinder. There it is, it kicked off. How long was that? That was literally less than probably 5 minutes it took to boil out water off that thing. Might need a sleeve. Just about too hot. Damn good tea though. You know what? Let's put her through the test. I don't know whether this will run this or not. I have no idea, but we're gonna soon find out. I tell you what, it takes a real solid battery and a real good battery off of this baby inverter to take and run something with the demand of this thing. When you turn it on, the demand of this is probably, I'd say it's 4 or 5 amps to take and turn this thing on, which is ridiculous. So, I tell you what, boys, I tell you how strong this battery is. Take a look at the amp gauge here. The average battery would not run that like that. This battery has enough power in reserve that it'll overcome the demand on it, produce the demand it needs, and give that inverter the power it needs to run this power tool. I tell you what, that's insane having this baby inverter running this, and it's because of that is why it'll do it, my friends. You want a product? You want something you can use in the middle of nowhere? You want to make some tea? I tell you what, guys, she's what you need. Portable power. There's no more fighting with the recoil, pulling the recoil, winding out, carburetor plugged up. You don't need it anymore. You got a battery, you got a power source, you get her when you want her. I tell you what. Yeah! This battery has 300 amps of discharge. That's a lot. I tell you what. This thing here will run an inverter and run it to its maximum capacity, and you can run, I tell you what, it's just good, clean power, and it's a lot of power on demand when you want it. This thing here will power things that you will not believe that it will power, and it will run them for, I tell you what, way past your expectations. 3 times more juice, 3 times more lasting power. It's 3 times what you see. It's the 3 times machine. I love it. 300 amps, 5,888 watt hours. How much power is that? I don't know, but it's a lot. I tell you what, boys, hit the link below, put in WOW 5 off, and I tell you what, you'll save some cash. We can sit around, we can drink some tea, and we can talk about it. Yeah!